Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Halloween Drawings. Today we're going to go over how to draw a skull on fire. Very cartoony skull. It's going to be drawn with this Faber-Castell marker. We're going to be using marker. You can use any type of marker you want. It should be easy enough for anyone to do it, beginner, anything. Before I do, don't forget to check out the cool sketchbook that I have full of Halloween-esque drawings. It's a Halloween type sketchbook full of basically 24 pages of different ideas, different creative elements that I haven't put anywhere. Pick that up when you can. It's small enough for you to hold. This is not, well, I was gonna say, if you are not a fan of physical media, meaning if you don't like picking up stuff anymore and you're all about the digital age and you're more about looking at stuff on a site as opposed to actually collecting it and having it, then this is not for you. This is totally not your thing. Not at all. So, but for people who are fans of collecting physical media and having a piece of something to kind of commemorate, you know, like an artist, this is probably your thing, so you should check that out. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and that's pretty much it. It's a sale right now. There's not that many left, so go check that out immediately because I'm almost out of them. So thank you so much, guys, for your support. Let's get going. Sorry for that quick thing. So now we're gonna draw round eye socket. Round eye socket. Fill it in. Fill it in. Triangle for the nose. I'm gonna do these little stair steps all across. Do as many as you think it'll take. That's for the upper jaw. Roundish skull, top part. Kind of round, like egg-like. And for this one, I'm gonna draw a lower jaw, also with those stair steps. Those stair steps are extremely easy. Think of them as Legos. Very, very easy. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a round shape for the outside. And I'm gonna draw almost like little tentacles. They're gonna be very small. Think of it almost like hair. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace over that line. Sorry if I'm going too fast, but it's very, I think these are very, you know, pretty simple little triangles, essentially wavy triangles. That's all you need to do. If you have any trouble, please rewind. Also go back and rewatch if that is required. And that's pretty much the end of it. If you really want, you can darken in the area between the teeth here to give it a little bit more of a kind of popping feeling. It'll pop out. And that's pretty much it. If you guys did like that drawing, if you found it relatively easy to follow along to understand, at least, if you have found it easy to understand and you love, you know, this stuff, please hit that like button because I will base the like button on what I, you know, put up next. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video, and happy Halloween.